How to change your name on Zoom. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Zoom on your device. Click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, click on Profile. Then you can go to My Profile and change your name. But sometimes it may not be possible from here. So what you need to do is join any meeting. After you're in the meeting, at the bottom, you'll find participants. Simply click on participants at the bottom. After you click on participants on the right side, you'll find your name. Simply click on it and click on the three dots. Click on rename and then add what you want to add and press on change. And after this, in all the meetings you join, your name will be this. And this is how to change your name on Zoom. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.